G'day people, I'm Sharyn and welcome. When I started doing this series of tutorials using Velma's 550E, I figured that the two most important videos were going to be the one on settings and the one on the edit screen. Interestingly, yes, the one on settings has had a lot of views, but the edit screen one hasn't, and I really hope people decide to watch it. It's important. Today I want to show you how I put these designs together in Velma's machine in the edit screen, what I did. I'll be doing it very quickly, and if you can't follow, please go back to the edit screen in order to see more about what it can do. The designs come off Janome's 1835 design CD. Often Janome includes this as a bonus with its embroidery machines, and it's a really good bonus. There's lace and angels and Christmas and all sorts of other designs in there. The designs I'm using today are children's designs. So I hope you can follow along now and see how I put this design together. I'm going to start in my home screen and go into the edit screen. This machine has already come up with it being on the 20 by 20 or 200 by 200 millimeter hoop, so I'm ready to go. I'm going to first go into my USB to get out a design, and 08 Children's Series is what I'm working on. I'm going to pick up the train, and I am going to move it up until it's just on top of that center line, so the green highlight around there is on that, and then I'm going to move it across. Oh, there goes my train. Next, back in there, I want to pick up another thing from that design set, and I'm going to get the trailer for the train, or the move that also up so that it is on the line and fairly close. I can now copy that one and move it over, and I'd like my trucks to be reasonably close again. I don't want my train to be that high up in the hoop, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to collect all of the designs, okay, and I'm going to move them down. I know I've got them all nice and even. Now I can turn that off. Next I want to go and get another design out of the folder. Children's still. I'm going to get the aeroplane, and I can put my aeroplane up in the sky over here, and then I'm going to go and get another design, and in this case also in the children's series I'm going to get over the page the rainbow. Now I can choose wherever I want in here to put these, but I want to put a name in it as well. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and the alphabet. I think Gothic will do okay. I probably don't want to go any bigger than medium because it will just be hard to fit in, and I'm choosing a name, Madeline, because that way I can do a fairly big one. Okay. I think I'd like to arc that. Okay, now I might want to change things around a bit here. And it is really a matter of just bringing in as many things as you want on there. Having done that, I want to see if there's anything that I can join up together. Let's have a look what the machine thinks it can join up together. It thinks that can't be joined with anything, but this is one of 5. That one can't be joined with anything. That one can't be joined with anything. The name can't be, but it knows those two can go together. So, okay. And we've gone down to 17 colours. So remember, if you got this particular set of designs, or indeed the 487 design CD, they are really worthwhile having a look at. Everything that was on the 487 design CD is also included on this one. Hopefully you can see how quickly I was able to put together a design, an overall design for a child. And this would be really cute to put on a pillowcase or something like that for children going to daycare. The design actually took 36 minutes to stitch out at 600 stitches per minute. I'm going to be doing some videos on how you put designs onto USBs and how you find them again. See you next time.